The Tuya Lock app security lock is a keyless, anti-theft padlock designed for versatility and durability. It offers 4 unlocking methods: TT Lock app, Tuya app, password, and smart iCard, making it convenient for all ages. Constructed from zinc alloy and stainless steel, this padlock is IP65 waterproof and can withstand harsh weather conditions. With a 1000 mAh battery, it provides up to 6 months of standby time and includes a low battery reminder. Ideal for securing cabinets, backpacks, bicycles, and more, this padlock ensures your belongings are protected in various settings. The AICase fingerprint padlock offers a smart, keyless solution to your security needs, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With no keys or Bluetooth required, your fingerprint becomes the only key, providing a secure and user-friendly experience for both kids and the elderly. The lock can store up to 10 fingerprints, including 2 administrator fingerprints, ensuring easy access for multiple users. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy body and a stainless steel shackle, this padlock is both tamper-resistant and rust-proof. Its IP67 waterproof rating protects it from dust and rain, making it ideal for use in a variety of environments such as gyms, swimming pools, offices, and garages. With low power consumption and a replaceable 420 mAh lithium battery, this fingerprint padlock offers long standby time and reliable performance, keeping your belongings secure wherever you go. Upgrade your travel security with the Egeferter TSA Customs Code Lock, a smart electronic lock designed for stylish protection. Featuring a vibrant contrast color design, this padlock not only secures your luggage but also adds a touch of flair. Crafted from durable ABS material and equipped with IP66 protection, it's built to withstand the rigors of travel. Setting a new password is a breeze with the easy-to-follow instructions, ensuring your belongings are safe and only accessible by you. With its reversible handle direction and convenient key and keypad function, the Egeferter TSA lock is the perfect travel companion for worry-free journeys. Keep your belongings secure with the BMAD Gym Padlock, a compact yet robust security solution. This padlock features an 8-digit digital code combination, providing enhanced security for your locker, fence, or personal storage. Made from durable zinc alloy and steel, it's not easily cut, ensuring your items stay safe. Lightweight and portable, this padlock is perfect for students and anyone needing reliable protection on the go. Its sleek design and easy-to-use button combination make it an essential addition to your security needs. Upgrade your home security with the Lock-in G30 Smart Door Lock, a keyless entry solution that combines convenience and cutting-edge technology. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home via the Tuya app, this smart lock offers multiple unlocking methods, including mechanical keys, passwords, Bluetooth, and fingerprint access, with an extra keypad. Enjoy remote control through the Tuya BLE gateway and the added peace of mind with features like automatic relock and low battery notifications. Made with a durable plastic housing and metal knob, the Lock-in G30 is designed for easy DIY installation and fits various door sizes with its adaptable Euro cylinder. Enhance your smart home with this reliable and versatile door lock.
6. Lock-in G30 Smart Door Lock Keyless Entry Tuya Bluetooth Fingerprint Password Smart Lock Work with Alexa Google DIY EU Lock. Specifications: Power supply, dry battery. Protection level, no waterproof. Fit door thickness 10 cm. Suitable door type, glass door, wooden door, brass door, stainless steel door, steel door. Included components exclude battery. Model number, G30. Voice assistant, Amazon Alexa and Google Home, need to use gateway, Tuya app. Unlock method. Mechanical key. European standard, new key. Password, support, need to use keypad. BLE, support, app unlock. Fingerprint, need extra keypad to support. Remotely control open door, support, needs to work with a Tuya BLE gateway. Material, housing plastic, knob is metal. Power supply for *AA, not include. Low battery notification, support, lower than 10%, send notification to app, indicator light turn red. Packaging accessories. 1. Lock. 2. Adapters corresponding to different countries. 3. Install the bottom plate. 4. Manual. 5. Long screws, suitable for different door thicknesses. Temperature. Working temperature, lock, 0 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius. Keypad, minus 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius. 7. Hotel energy saving switch magnetic insert card 220V40A3 line for power without time delay. Specifications. Model number, 106K86A. Brand name, Fenglian Security. Origin, mainland China. Package included. 1 electrical power control. 1 insert card. Tip, each switch is packed with a card. If need more card, you can order card separately. Card size, length 10.7 cm*, width 3.2 cm*, high 0.5 cm. Panel size, 8.6 cm*, 8.6 cm. Working voltage, AC 220 plus 10%, 50 Hz, 60 Hz. Bearing power 8800W, 40A. Own power consumption, 1 W. Operating temperature, minus 20 degrees Celsius, plus 50. Profile material, PC material or ABS. Features, this product is inserted into the card, the circuit is opened. After pulling off the card from the load. More effective power saving. Specifically designed for your hotel's energy saving and safety. When the guest room card to be inserted into the room card switch, the total power in the room will be turned on. When the guests leave the room, when the guests take the door card, ensure energy saving and safety. The card is the card ordinary card insertion cannot take power.